Good afternoon. Today we are going to see how to extract purchase orders using business object using Agent Studio. Okay, so we have so many ways to extract POs, but using Agent Studio we have to now configure. So I will try to give a total explanation how to configure to extract POs. Okay, so for that we have business object is there, tools are there, agents are there, agent teams are there. So first of all, if you want to create for extract POs, you have to go to business object. You already created. So for that, if you want extract POs, you have to go to purchasing. Okay. Then family product is purchasing. I only created 4 business objects. One is for this JP get details. Go to actions. This thing will given the document. So you have to take that source type is monolithic source. So this thing will give in the documentation. So suppose if you search for the STAPAs for the purchase orders in we are using 26A, so we will get this link. So okay, after that so I want to extract procurement business unit by year. I want to display these columns. That's why I have taken line UIM, line item, lines quantity, who is created this PO. Okay. So once it's done, you have to go to tools. You have to attach this business unit, business object to the tools. So you have to give the then so I have created one tool. Go open this. So I have to attach this business object which is created in earlier step. You have to attach here. Okay. Once this step is done, you have to go to agent teams. You have to give that attach these tools to the here. Okay. So because it's in top mode now, so I don't show here. You go to and you attach this tool here. So once it is done, we can want to know your orders. This one estimate. So this is the agent. I will show the agent also here. These are all POs which is under US1 business. It is very simple. And if you have any doubts on to configure some of the, you have to add some of the roles here, custom roles, then only it will work. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this, how to create agents and agent teams, everything, please ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back. Thank you.